the worst case scenario for BTC. Let's go back to the weekly here. And if you remember, when I made this, I remember making this flag here, and I'm a pole guy, so like I take the whole length of the pole. Pause. Doesn't sound right? And look, that is like about a $8,200, you know. And so I've been showing this idea for a long, way before this even happened. I was showing this too, just like I'm showing you right now. I'm like a pitcher that can show you how to pitch many different pitches, not just one type of pitch. When you come to me, you get the whole shebang. And look at that. I mean, that's also about a $8,000 Bitcoin. So to me, and that's not even the worst case scenario. What if we get to this level? We hit 12,000. We're going to hit 12,000 if we fall, because that's our next big zone. We're hit that 14K area, then 12,000. Then we can fall back down to this next strong liquidity zone right here at 9,959. Again, if you look at the point of control, it's 3,800. Do we head all the way back to the point of control? That's where there's so many buys and sell orders there. Look at that. But do we go back to 329? No. You know what I mean? So just because it's a point of control, don't worry. I don't stress it too much, especially on the weekly time frame. And it's looking at that liquidity down there. At that point, that's where the most buys and sells are. We don't really need to see that anymore, though. It's not as relevant to us. But could we go down to this area here at 10,000? We could. Very, very, very high likely probability of doing that. Let's take a look at this pattern now. And so I'm just showing you your worst case scenarios for Bitcoin. I mean, you broke down for sure. This is a breakdown. The bulls must get back inside this pattern. Now, here's the crazy thing. Say we are going to pump to the upside. Like I said before, they would shred you down, get everyone to short the market, come back up, and then they would pump us up. They would not just pump us to the upside. So this would be a beautiful bear trap right now to keep people trapped in the market. The daily's oversold, 22 hours oversold, likely, you know. So in my mind, Bitcoin has to get back inside this pattern to remain bullish. You think Bitcoin has a chance of doing anything big? It's got to get back above this point of control. You got to see it back above 19K. And that's kind of a tall order for it at this moment. It can't just rip up to that area. The 22-hour and the daily want to give you some legs, but look, 3-day chart still has moved to come down. 4-day chart just getting started. 5-day chart's just getting started for a dump. 8-day chart's just getting started. The 10-day chart has a bearish engulfing candle and wants to dump on your face. So worst case scenario now is this 10-day does play out. Look, you're about to get a pre-death cross with a 50 crossing the 80 right there. Something that you got to heed. And when I look at this, just the base of this triangle, if we break down, which we already did, I mean, that brings you to about, 10,090, somewhere between 19,800 and 10,000 and $11,000. So we definitely can go lower. High likelihood that we do. It's not going to be fun. We're going to take a hit. My net worth is going to take a massive hit. I own lots of Bitcoin. About 60 to 70% of my entire net worth is in crypto, and 60% of that is in Bitcoin. And I'm okay. I'm going to manage through for the next 4 to 5 years. I don't have to be the richest guy in the world. I just have to have what I need to survive. I just got to get by and keep stashing my Satoshis. That's how I made it through the bear market last time. That's how I'm going to make it through the bear market this time. And it's going to be hard. This is going to be hard. I'm telling you right now, they're going to flush out all the weak hands.